guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening rainbow bath bomb sets, Poopsie surprise, and so let's get started. So what you will need is a bowl. All the bits that come in the box are colours, sprinkles, citric acid and soda, and we have a surprise that we're going to open in a minute. We have some colours and smells and some safety gloves. So let's get started. So first we're going to open the surprise. So let's see what it is. It looks like we've got a pink bath bomb, and it's a unicorn horn. That's a nice little unicorn. So we'll leave that to the side. So first you'll need is to put your gloves on. Oh, I got one glove on. And two gloves on. Like that. And then, so we're going to start. So first,
okay, so you can get your parents to pre-measure your citric acid and your soda. So first we're going to start with the bowl, aren't we?
And a spoon.
Yep, and we're going to add the citric acid and the baking soda to the bowl.
And the soda.
And then we're going to add 7 drops of your chosen fragrance and sparkle.
Can I add any one I want, but can I use some of them?
Yeah, 7 drops.
7 drops. So can I do one of these, and one of these, and then?
So 7 altogether.
I think I'm going to use this one.
That one's lavender.
Yeah, I'm going to use lavender.
So make sure you count your drops. You might need to squeeze it.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Well done.
And then do the lid back up because you want to use it.
Okay, so add a little bit of the pink colour.
Any colour you want. So I'm going to add some pink.
That'll be nice and shimmery, won't it?
Yeah. Just some of it, because you don't want a lot. There we go.
Well done. And then you can add 2 to 3 drops of water until the mixture is done.
And you need to use one of these, but if you don't want to, you just need to get a paintbrush and you can splash it.
It's only 2 to 3 drops. There we go. Oh, you see that fizzing? That's really cool. Let's show everyone the fizzing in the bowl. So now we've got to stir that up until it looks like damp sand. That's it. Make sure you get all of the
And
lumps.
remember, the colour that you put in, all the white needs to be gone. but some of it will still be in there because you can't mix all of it because it will just be a bit.
I think you might need one more drop of water in there. That will do.
Oh, it's fizzing even more. Yeah, it's fizzing even more.
Keep mixing then.
Okay, that's a bit better.
And now, do you want to get the mould that you've chosen? So it did come with different moulds, didn't it?
And I'm gonna do this heart one here.
Okay.
So just should I pour it in, Mummy?
Yep, so spoon that in. That's it, and then smooth the top off with the spoon. And then you're going to add some sprinkles.
I'm just going to add a tiny bit more. But if it's harder with the spoon, you can just dab it really close. Perfect. And then you can add some sprinkles. And if little children trying this out, you can just pour it on the tray, like I'm gonna do. Pick them up like this. It's bubbling.
Wow, that looks really cool, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so then what we have to do is put it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours to set. So we'll do that now, and then we'll come back and show everyone. Okay? See you soon.
See you soon. Whoa. Whoa. Hello guys, and one of ours have set, so this is what it looks like. It's a pineapple one. So we're gonna fizz it. Look guys, it's fizzing.